Good afternoon. Dan Fitzpatrick here, stockmarketmentor.com. And I want to I just recorded, by the way, for members, half an hour Zoom video on my thoughts in the market, what we're doing now, oversold stocks, stuff like that. So if you're a member, make sure you get over there and check it out. If you are not a member, consider just checking it out for a trial period. This is a really, really brutal market, and I ain't going to tell you otherwise. It's a tough market to be trading in right now. It really is. It has been. It probably will be for a while. But if you are, if you're struggling, we can probably help you because I've been doing this for quite a while, and I know a thing or two about losing money. I know a lot about losing money because I've had a lot of experience about, with that in the past. And they say in order to be a good winner, you have to have experienced some losing, so you kind of know what that's like. My point is this. I know how to manage risk. I know how to keep people on the right side of the trend, and I know how to keep you from doing dumb stuff that you shouldn't be doing in the first place, but you're still doing it because you don't know any better. So if you're having a hard time, just check it out, okay? That's all. Longer, quote, advertisement than I thought I would have. I just did it off the cuff. So back here to Teucrium WEAT Fund. This is an ETF, basically, and it's traded over 9 million shares today. Yesterday, it had a big move, and by the way, we still have a little over an hour to go in the day, and so judging by the way this is trading, we'll probably get close to the same volume as yesterday. But you'll notice here in this 5-minute chart, this tends to trade in these big blocks. And the biggest blocks are virtually all buying blocks, all of these down here. And so this is a stock that's under accumulation. I had first seen it yesterday. I think I saw something on IBD on it, something like that. I'm pretty sure it wasn't my original idea. I just saw it. It helps to have your head on a swivel looking around. But this was a really nice volatility pop. I decided, okay, well, if it goes to a new high today, 1134 was yesterday. So if it goes to a new high today or tomorrow or whenever, that's when I'll buy the stock. So it popped up today. That's when I bought the stock. So I'm giving it to you. It's not up that much more. But the way this stock is trading, I don't really see any reason why it can't move up to there. It was there before on a big spike. See this big squeeze here. Well, this is even a tighter squeeze than this was back here. So this could turn out to be one big long consolidation base before the stock moves even higher. So I like this. What I would suggest doing is, you got to manage your risk. So the way this is trading, I'd give it enough room, frankly, to even move below the 50-day moving average. If you're really skittish, of course, you can keep a tighter stop, but the tighter you keep your stop, the more likelihood there is that you're going to get stopped out. Okay? All right? That's all I got for you. I'll see you next time.